Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to create a React app where we can add regular expression. So basically what we are looking for is like creating a React app where you can select the regular expression based on some conditions like the beginning what you are looking for like number strings or something like that, and the end will be on the middle what you are looking for, and on the end what you are looking for. And then we will run that application and we will try to find out whether it will work or not. So the first step, we need to open a terminal window, and we need to create the project. That's the first thing. So we will do that right away. So let me open a folder. Then from there we can go to the uh, things. So here, so let me open the React folder. Let me open in a here. This is my home folder where I have the project. I have most of the projects here. So I need to go to the React. And before I am going to the React, what I am going to do here is like just new terminal folder. So here it will start, and can just search what are the application that I already have. That's fine. So right now, let me take some coding. That's why I already searched in some places. So I need to connect my system into one of the mirroring solution, and we will go through that one. Then we will most of the things are there from the chat GPT. So we will just do some little modification. That's the only thing we need to do in this case. So here, this is the one. So do we need to make it as a we need to make it as a TypeScript. So right now I just follow these things. I don't want to do TypeScript templates. Just we will go through this one. So this is to learn about that things rather than we are doing some TypeScript kind of thing. So just make sure these things are working and we are getting the expected things. So what I initially explain is like to build a regex generator with the React app that lets users specify the following. Start with how many characters, number, string, something like that. So here we okay. So here we again need to select this, or if then we are going to, so for generating and writing a code nowadays, it's very easy if we are depending on ChatGPT or any AI platform. So right now the app is ready. So right now what we need to do is we need to open a Visual Studio Code. Then inside that code we will open our application. Then we will do the rest of the things from there. So So it's a very easy, and nowadays that I am saying, so building an application will not take that much time since you don't need any specific tools or something. If you have the specific tools and something, and you have some AI, then everything is will be quick. So here, so I open this one. So I am trusting my application, and right now I need to add a terminal, new terminal. Probably I can add one more for the build or running the application, and adding some components. So here is the thing. So this one is a component, I guess. Let me check whether it's a component or RegexGenerator. So this is a component. So we need to create that component actually. So I guess we can tell create a form for input field, example React state to manage these things. So you need to generate a component here. So they are not explaining all of the things that we need. So here we know this is the regex generator. They are not telling about how we will add that regex generator in our application. So if you are asking again, ChatGPT will provide you. So, but for us, we don't need anything. We just need to create a component. So we will give that name and code from our app. I'm trying to complete these things very fast because sometimes we are competent, sometimes we are just wasting time. So in this time, trying to complete everything very fast actually. So we are generating a regex generator, and for this one I don't think we need TypeScript. So I just style component. No, I don't need any style component. CSS module. Maybe I can provide that CSS. Testing library none. Set the default. That's fine. Would you create a corresponding style sheet? I don't mind. So would you like to create a corresponding? That's why I don't need story. I don't need. Also, would you like to create a lazy file? That also I don't need. So that's it. So I didn't need anything from here. So then what we are going to do? We are going to the component directory that was here. So here we have these things. So I usually using TypeScript. So probably maybe I will have some issues using this one. Not issues because I am not familiar with the basic things. So I am always using the TypeScript things. But I guess it's all same. So if that's the case, we can do everything from here. And I'm not sure this is actually a TypeScript based things. So if it is TypeScript based things, probably we will be in trouble also. So, but we can try right now because in that case, probably we need to generate these chaps once again. So using ChatGPT in mobile is very easy, I guess, comparing to in computer it is easy comparing to, okay, here only these things, copy that one into our, okay, guess we will face some issues right now, most probably, because these things are not TypeScript that I mentioned. I am using some TypeScripts, right? So that's a problem, because you can see these things are not imported here. What I mean is like React and use state is not there, so it will not checking for any tag because I mentioned TypeScript, right? So that's one of the problem here. So you are running, we are not running our application right now. Because I thought we run the application maybe here. So here it's saying like RegexGenerator is not defined. Search for the keyword. Compile with one warning. So if we are taking the, okay, so we did completely wrong things in this case. So let me do one thing with the TypeScript. So if you click the TypeScript, it's gonna be. So what I am going to do is I will regenerate these things, all things. So it will take a little more time that we expected. So this kind of scenarios always happen. So let me close this window, stop the application, and we will do everything from the scratch again. Because this time we messed up with TypeScript. So let me open the same way the new terminal, and this time I will try to complete it very fast. I don't want to spend wasting your time, right? So I don't need to do that. But right now I am facing some other issues here. I can copy. So this thing is also a problem for me. So this making me very difficult in this scenario. Probably my phone is not responding, so that's one thing, and I need to solve that issue in this case. Let me try to select that one. If it is not selecting, then connect. Yeah, it's going to not responding to my things. So what I can do is can do only one thing, just to remove that one, and then where is my ChatGPT? Here it is. So here, if I click again here, do we have everything on this time? That's all the question with the TypeScript. So right now it's fine, working again. So that's the main thing. So copy this one, don't waste any time. Copy this one. Copy is not work that I expected initially, creating our application on the side, making into this one. Okay, so completed it. So wait for some times. So if it is taking too much time, we'll cut some of the time from our video. So let's see. So looks like not take that much time right now. So let me make it fast. So here, game start. So it's done here. So that things are fine. So right now what we need to do is we need to open our Visual Studio Code again, once again, and this time we have everything working as expected. So this is the beginning of we are creating so many projects in React. So we will have so many ideas and most of them will be a small projects, but it is very easy to create. File open folder. So where is my projects? So sometimes this is so crazy to find out everything. Okay, so RegexGenerator open. So this is actually benefit if you are a first time programmer or something, because repeated things, right? So right now we are going back to our workplace where we need to create a command. So let me create a command. So that's the first thing. Then we can just copy that one and hope that will work without any issues. So this is the command name. We don't need to change anything. So yes, I am using the TypeScript. Does this project style command CSS testing library is none. Set that. Would you like to create a corresponding style sheet? Yes, it's fine. So corresponding test file, no. You create a story, no. Create a corresponding lazy files, no. So everything generated just be here and just regex generator. Put that here. Done. So right now, if I am taking my application here, I can say that it's working fine. So that's a good news. So right now we are going to here these tsx files. So here we need to go to all the way. Come on. It's taking time. Copying everything without worrying anything. So the style sheet I will keep that like that, because if I need to add some style sheet that will benefit. So otherwise I will copy everything from here. So this thing should work. Save it. Go back to your window. So here, generator regex. So in this case, I'm putting string. So this one only one. Okay. So only one character. And for the middle, only one string. And for the end, only one string. So this will match ABC. So A1, if you need to match A1A or B1A or something like that, you can do like that also. This is a special characters, and it's taking all the special characters here. So that's a way of generating regex using here, and I probably include this stuff into here. So what I am planning to do is, so whenever here, so here, okay, here what we are going to do here is generate this one. We will add into here, so these things, and how we can do that, just a compilation part is there. So that part also I need to example test. If it is matching, we will add here. So another thing, if you have too many things here, at a middle, in this case also this will work. So these things will work very good in these scenarios. So you will get an idea about how the regex will work. So for A to Z, if you choose the number, you can see the difference. Just use the \d and number of things, and also you can use 0 to 9. So both will work in that kind of scenario. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Stay tuned for next videos. Have a nice day.